I already had my birthday.
I know. Okay, let's go over at the same time. We will go over. You know what? Let's unbox an unknown.
Yeah, we should do that.
That's what we'll do. While we're waiting, we're going to unbox an unknown.
Unbox an unknown.
So we keep trying to set up new technology, new easy things. I grabbed a thing to hold my phone so I could see your chat over here, so you can see a little behind the scenes here for you guys. Like, are you even a parent if you don't have a bubble machine? Right, GMG?
If a tree falls in the forest but no one's there, does it make a sound?
That is very hilarious, GMG. I love that. Okay, so we have unboxing the unknown. We've got a box here. Okay, here's the box.
It looks like a big box.
It looks like a big box.
How heavy is it?
It's pretty light. I mean, I'm pretty able to.
What's your weight guesstimation?
A pound or two, maybe.
A pound or two.
Yeah, maybe. It's two. Is it two boxes in one? It might be. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Good point.
I'm not sure. It might be GMG. Very possible. It's very possible. Bubble wrap. Oh, that's funny.
A box of bubble wrap, huh?
Box of bubble wrap, huh?
That would be cute.
That would be cute. Okay.
All right, so what do we got? We got bubble wrap, shoes, pillows. We need to open it.
I'm looking for scissors. I was going to put it here so I could set it there to open it. But I need scissors.
Are over there.
Ah!
On the bed. I need some water. Maybe that's it. Maybe I'm dehydrated. We got outdoor pillows, gloves.
Ooh. Blanket.
What was Rosie's suggestion that everyone's laughing at?
Yeah, what did Rosie say? Tablet. Ooh, a tablet would be good. What else we got?
Sam grabbed the bubble machines. Congratulations. We got a Dino inflatable.
Oh, this is cool. There's two of them in here, and I'm really glad because I definitely want to keep one. Read there. Okay.
Bring it over here.
All right, pillowcases,
so we
bed
don't have
sheets,
our backstory.
lamps, checkers, shower curtain.
Oh, wow, yeah. Oh, we got anything on the back? Okay, we can show them the back.
Okay, you can show them the back.
I'll show them the end first. Da 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 da. Now that gives you a big hint.
Phones, kitchen towels, bathroom accessories, plungers.
And here's the back. Boo! Boo!
Curtain. Sheet set. Those folding boxes, floating sheets, storage cubes. Okay, it is in the storage department.
Are you getting closer there, Coral Roses, with storage?
That's close. Not quite there, but it's kind
Blackout
of
curtains by Loki. That's when the curtains drink too much and they can't remember what they did.
Shower curtains.
Shower curtains. Trunk organizer. Organizer.
Organizer is right. I'm going to give it to JC Mama 3, who just said organizer.
Yeah, it's a special kind of
organizer, so we're going to keep guessing. Collapsible laundry basket. Hanging organizer. JC Mama 3, yes, it is a hanging organizer. Where does it hang? It hangs on a specific place. Clothes hanging organizer, office organizer, toy organizer. It hangs on a specific place. It goes in a specific place. Closet hanging organizer. Close.
Closet.
It goes
firebox. Closet, firebox, cube organizer.
Can you give a hint on that, on where it hangs, Jamie?
Let's open up the discussion and see if we can. Door hanging organizer.
Loki got it.
GMG got it before Loki.
GMG and Loki. We'll give it to you
GMG
both.
And Loki, all right.
GMG and Loki, you get an extra prize draw. This is from Jaychi, Jaychi. Jaychi. I don't know if there. You can see that lighting. And I'm going to open this up so you can see it. I cannot wait. We're going to put it on that door right there.
By we, she means me.
By we, I mean Jamie's going to do that.
Oh, here we go.
Awesome. Check this out.
I'm going to put one of the prizes under my computer and lift it up a little.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay. It's got...
Oops. Dang it.
It also has some harder things in here.
That's better.
So that you can actually... press this onto the bottom.
Oh yeah, we got the right ones here. We got.
Yeah. What do we got?
Over the door hanging roses.
It's from Jaychi, so you'd have to hang
J-G.
Jaychi.
J-A-Y-C.
So you might have to click on a couple.
I
and
will.
just
I'll
look.
have a look.
But look, it's got these things that go right in here too as well and keep this all organized and
Doesn't
clean.
say.
Oh my gosh, I cannot wait for this. This is fantastic. Look at how cute this is. And so this keeps this out a little bit, so you've got some space there. Look, over the door hanger. Very cool. Really cool. So this is going to go on the prize wheel, you guys.
That's the coastal
as well.
road. Hmm?
Anything else?
GMGs.
I could store lots of stuff.
Yep, GMG got the first.
Got the first one?
Got the first one. Coral Roses is the wrong company. Looks exactly the same.
Wrong company?
Different company.
Okay.
A GMG.
I will work on this company and see if I can get some codes for you guys. But man, this is a really cool item. I cannot wait to put this over our door. It's going to go on that door right there.
GMG and JG Long got the RG Long.
RG Long. Awesome. And it's got these little pockets up here. It's got each pocket here. And it also has, let's see, what else? What else we got? Oh, it's breathable too. So like on this bottom part, it's mesh, so things aren't going to get all yucky.
And Gabriel's here.
It's got a bigger, harder compartment on the bottom right here. Very cool. Welcome, Gabriel.
Gabriel P., you're on the prize wheel as well. We're playing games and we're about to spin.
And this is going to go on the prize wheel. How cool is that?
That is nice.
Yeah, it's got the hangers here. So it's got these little hangers, and it just hangs right over the door.
Well, let's see if that's what.
You want to try it? You want to hang it up, Jamie?
Sure.
We'll take a look at that. That's awesome.
I'll put all the prizes in there.
Yeah, exactly.
All those little prizes.
All the little stuff we've got. I can think of so many uses for this. This is so great.
I mean, if you're a cat has kittens, you need to find a place just
to hang your cats?
While you vacuum the carpet.
I love it. How simple is that? Wow. That looks great. Might have to do a little something to make them fit a little bit better. Oh, very cool. Check that out.
Yep, that's it.
Love it. Love it. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Awesome. Well, this is a great prize for the wheel. It certainly is.
So it looks like the hanging clips are a width. So you just want to...
You can adjust it.
You want to put a little blocker underneath to keep them flat on the roof. So then you can have them up on your door like that.
I'm going to set that there so you remember to put it on the prize wheel for next week. Awesome. Yes, this is a great prize for the prize wheel. Awesome, awesome.
Who would like to win that? Let's see. Who could do that?
Awesome. And Coral Roses wants the promo code for the electric heater and the T-Rex. So the electric heater, I believe, is a lightning deal. No, it's not. I have a promo code for that. Let me pull that up for you just a moment. Okay, there, it's 70% off the electric heater. And there's the code for it. Let me find it, and I will pull it up. There we go. 70% off of $45.99 for that electric heater. That's a great deal. I think that's a great deal. What do you guys think? Wash? Is that a win? Is that a wonder or a wash?
A win, wonder, or a wash.
Win, wonder, or wash. So great organizer. Oh, good. Yeah, you guys like that?
It's got tip over perfection, double overheat protection, 536 degrees Fahrenheit flame resistant, voltage protection, smart PR.